Welcome back to Learn with DevOps Engineer. Today we are not in the terminal, we are in the kitchen. But don't worry, we are still doing CICD. We are cooking the legendary world famous butter chicken. And I'll show you how every step in this recipe mirrors a real world continuous integration and delivery pipeline. Ready to deploy some deliciousness? Let's get started. In CICD, everything starts with a commit. We write code, test it locally, then push to GitHub. Here's our initial commit. Chicken, ginger garlic paste, lemon juice, yogurt, and some secret spices. These are the source files. The recipe is our main.yaml guiding the whole pipeline. Chicken absorbs the spices, no broken flavor logic, all tests pass after 2 hours of rest. Only then we trigger the pipeline. Time to build the artifact. This grill, it's your build server. Each piece of chicken goes through the same conditions: heat, smoke, and timing, just like a Jenkins or GitHub Actions runner. If it burns, build failed. Perfect, build successful. We don't go live yet. We deploy to staging, where we integrate components. This is our sauce service. Butter is equal to base layer. Cream is equal to core service. Spices is equal to dynamic configuration. We test the flavor in staging before rollout. Now the pipeline promotes the artifact to production. We combine grilled chicken plus sauce, that is equal to full deployment. All environments match. Users get the same experience we saw in staging. After deployment, we try to monitor: is the disk stable, any burned crashes, or is the feedback positive? Just like Prometheus and Grafana, we try to monitor real-time metrics from users, flavor, texture, spice levels. And that's, my friends, is CICD with world-famous butter chicken. From commit to deploy, both DevOps and kitchen should have consistency and quality that wins. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more real-world DevOps tips. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.